Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK8 and I'm going to show you how to set wipers into service position. So first of all, you want to turn on the ignition. So don't press any pedals, just press the start stop engine button. And after a few seconds, turn the ignition back off. And with the ignition off, press the wiper stalk. And this will bring your wipers into service position. Now you can easily reach them from the side of the car. You will not damage the paint job when you are folding the wiper arms. And after you are done replacing your wiper blades or servicing the windscreen or removing ice from the windscreen, just go back into the vehicle. Again, turn on the ignition. And with the ignition on this time, again, press the wiper stalk downwards. And your wipers will go all the way back to the parked position when they belong. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.